Alright, welcome back everybody. Anybody that's new here, thanks for joining me today. This is going to be a really backwards one. I've already gone fishing, and I'm going to just fill you in right away. Craziest multi-species day I think I've had ever on the ice. I would have to, if you guys know of another video that I have that's just as nutty as this one, comment below. Either way, comment below if you guys think this was crazy. It was so crazy that I forgot to do an intro and an outro, so those are both going to be done right here. Before this video even gets started, I gotta say thank you again to my aunt and uncle. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to film these videos, honestly. You guys that are subscribed, you guys should be very, very thankful that I happen to have a couple of very nice family members that wanted to help me out this year and are giving me the opportunity to use their cabin while I am filming. Basically just been using it to sleep and edit videos or sleep at and edit videos and eat some food or whatever. But either way, without this, I wouldn't have the video that you guys are about to see. So say thank you down below. And yeah, stay tuned for some crazy action.
Maybe you just weren't deep enough.
30, 32, that's not deep enough.
Never mind. The size of this lake, there should be a good average size. What do you got on? Ripping rod?
Llama.
You got a fish on, or are you hooked on a tree?
Oh yeah, I'm just bringing in a tree.
Oh, it's moving. I didn't know. What is that? What is that?
Smalley, dude.
Seriously?
Probably.
That's
a largie.
Is it?
Yeah.
Not a little one. That's a small one, right? No, just a goofy light. You're not kidding. The water's like glass. I need some of that action. Let's try this one. You ever use slab wraps? Slab wraps work pretty good. Oh, you're right.
What?
I said you're right. There we go. Could let you have all the fun. That's so cool. There is literally like, I don't know, like 4 or 5 in that one spot. I'm staring at, I thought it was the bottom and they started moving.
The schools cruise through and there's got to be 20, 30 fish in the school.
Oh, I got the little one. But yeah, the slab wrap.
Yeah.
So it's chrome, so it's pretty close, and then it's got a good weight to it.
A little bit of vibe, they don't really big.
Yeah. You could probably set that a little tighter. These aren't that big. A 6-pound test. It's so funny because this is my Commander walleye rod. Oh, that's not a.
There, that's the first one. Beauty. They're mixed in there somewhere.
They're in the same school, or I got the bigger school.
You're probably, yeah, I told you the front of the sled is probably what we're aiming for.
Sick. Let's do that. Multi-species day. I can do that.
We're not even on the fun species yet.
I'm okay with just sitting here catching fish. I did my miles last week. Let's just sit here and catch fish for a couple hours.
Yeah, as it turns on.
I don't care. As long as I catch a couple more.
What'd you say?
I said, who needs a Panoptix when you got a really good cousin?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're better than Panoptix. We didn't have to do any searching. That was such a vicious little bite. What is this? That didn't make any sense, dude.
Probably a
No,
small-
that's
Is it rock?
Yeah. well, he was sitting there staring at it, and I'm like, that's such a little mark. And then the way he hit it, I was like, that didn't feel little. Rocco. The bow spoons that I use, they got that little flapper on them. But I mean, everything will eat it then. You know, big gill all the way up to northern pike. It's just one of those. It's what I caught the big gill on over at the other lake. There you go. Come on. Fast. There we go. That might be a largemouth. Some big old head shakes in it. What do we got? Oh, no. Tim.
What is it?
That's like a 13-inch crappie.
Beauty. Right here.
Look at that thing. That's sick. You know, just an average 13. This guy's got to go back. There's a school. That's what I want to see. Some big marks too. Said I have too many fish below me to want to move. Oh, Jesus. Yeah. Well, that's what I was saying before. Oh, what are you? Did I get a bass? Yeah, smallie. Oh, I finally got one. Fat little smallie. Little porker here. Right.
Yeah, put them in here.
Oh, that was a big gill, I think. Dang it.
Not bad.
I might beat it. I might beat it. I don't know what this is. But if it's one of those, it's big.
Yeah.
Oh! That's the only downside of this thing is these hooks are so small.
Yeah. Oh, it's just so... Some of these guys are going to get killed with pretty soon.
Is there a size out here?
What's that?
What's the size?
For what?
What'd you say? Didn't you say you were going to keep them?
Yeah. That was a crappie.
Oh. Oh.
What size?
Well, I got one too.
Whatever I'm hungry for.
I got one too. I was going to bring my fillet knife. I should have. Watch my line jump. What are you? Oh, that Crappie's still just not as big. we go. That was a good bite. He's like super. Look how skinny he is, but how long this fish is.
Yep.
That doesn't make any sense. Yeah, that's almost 13 inches.
Is it really?
Yeah.
I bet I've been underestimating the size of some of these.
That was at the same time.
I choked mine away.
It's gonna be a big crappie if it's a crappie. Look.
Yep.
Did you see what I did?
No.
I got him stuck in the gill. Can we just laugh at how funny it is the fact that I'm using my giant walleye rod for crappie?
That's the thing.
Oh, jeez.
I don't know what it is until.
Trust me, you're getting a key to my private lake.
Yeah. Had a little bit of fun on these 2 lakes, have you?
It's been a long time. See, that's a normal eater. That's like a 10.
Well, in this lake, when it turns on like it is, it seems to be right now.
I got a massive school over here. You got a Cisco? Or is he still there?
He flashes, he screams. You know, they're from down south, they don't see you.
Right. Oh, that was a good hit. That was such a good hit.
They were so overjoyed, so we kept doing it, and the eagle would keep getting closer and closer.
I can appreciate a smack like that any day of the week. Now I gotta figure out what he is. Oh, just another big crappie. Okay. Yeah. 10 of those guys feeds a family of 12. Yeah, you got it. It just seems like you gotta get them to just go crazy on it.
Well, he would bump it up, I would set it.
Like this guy. Like he was coming, and then I just started vibrating it like crazy, and finally went all in on it.
Yep. I assume mine's a bass.
Spunky. Right. Oh, there we go. God, I love it when they just... This rod's so stiff when it bends like that. I know they're committing. Oh, how big are you? It's another 12. That's a good mark. That's a really good mark. Come on. There we go. Oh. Yep, there's another one of those. A really good average size out here.
The lake where I got into it with the guy.
That's legit 13.
Because he can't remember if it jumped up a little bit, but I think that might be a circle, a nice little circle like this, eh?
Oh. Oh. Blew that one. Wait, is he gonna come back? No way. I got 2 chances. Smallmouth. Got one. He's like 13, 14. Well, we were just talking about it, so it was the last thing in my brain. Oh, there's like 4 Cisco. I'm trying. He hit it so fast and hard I couldn't keep up with him.
Yeah, way up though?
Yep, all the way up.
Yeah, just keep ripping hard up there. No flash in, flash out. Feel like I need some steel on it.
I haven't caught one yet.
Don't check the quick.
I set the hook and the bait came out of the hole. I said I set the hook and the bait came flying out of the hole.
Yeah?
Because he's right there.
Yeah, it is tough for them to get their little mouth on it, but get him?
Yeah, I got him. Oh, he's pooping everywhere. Geez, stop it.
Yeah, they got problems.
I just don't want a treble hook. And
There's a
that's for Cisco. I haven't got one of these in a long time. He T-boned the crap. He's got all 3 hooks, man. Like a snot rocket, but worse.
Just mean one mouth is forward and one's down.
Oh, the whitefish is down.
Okay.
Yeah, that
Goes forward.
yeah, that Cisco definitely had a forward-facing face. Man, they stink.
Get all over it.
Yeah. Well, he was shooting poop everywhere. Oh, there's the school. There it is. Oh. Too aggressive. Gotta stop beating on these guys. Pretty fish. No GoPro footage though. 20 and a half, slot goes up to 19 and whatever, but that's fine. I don't eat them. You can go back. He surprised me. This is the ultimate multi-species day.
All right. So you guys should have done this from the beginning of the video, but comment below if I, 1, have had a video that is even close to this. 2, if you guys think that was the craziest video that you guys have seen so far as multi-species day goes. I've seen bigger and I've seen more numbers, but that was just nuts. I caught literally, like, I felt like one of everything. I think the only thing I didn't catch, and the thing is so I caught a bluegill, just so you guys know. I did catch a bluegill. But I didn't get that on film. All my batteries are frozen. I got to charge them all up. But and I didn't catch a northern pike or a muskie. Otherwise, I think I caught pretty much everything that swims in the body of water. No, I'm not going to say what body of water it is. That's not something I do. But yeah, it was crazy. Either way, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It's just freaking nuts. And like I said, I didn't get a chance to do intro, outro for you guys beforehand because my whole day was kind of crazy. One more thing. Divas Outdoors merch. Some of you guys are getting it. But if you get it, please do me a favor. Tag me. I want to know. I want to say thank you guys personally, basically, for purchasing merch. The other big thing is I'm also doing a big giveaway once I hit 10,000 subscribers. Hopefully that's this winter, because if it happens, anybody who bought merch, you're helping out the biggest, because I'm going to try to give away a flasher as part of my whole giveaway. Possibly, so I have a Helix 7 right there. That's a whole ice setup, and then I'm charging my M5 right now. I have an LX7, but depending on how much merch is purchased this winter is going to dictate whether or not that happens. So if you guys kill the merch drop this winter, big things are coming. Someone's going to get a brand new unit. I'm just going to go buy a brand new unit for you guys and ship it to you guys directly. I'm going to set it up so that you guys, when you get my my giveaway, which is a full ice fishing setup, once you get that, you're going to get everything needed basically to just go fishing. I don't want you guys to think about anything else besides focusing on getting out, exploring the outdoors, and going fishing. So hopefully you guys are doing good job at killing it with the merch. I've seen some guys picked it up. Like I said before, tag me if you guys get it. I'll put it right here. You can do it on Instagram at DWSDave31, or you can go on Facebook, or even just hit me up in the comments below and let me know if you picked up some merch. Otherwise, hopefully, like I said before, you enjoyed this crazy multi-species day. I don't know if I can top that. I can try. I can really try, and I'm going to. But hopefully you guys enjoyed it like I did. It was crazy, and I had fun. So obviously, if you're not new here, you know what's up. But if you are new, can you please just remember to